Hi Pixelers! Grab your pencils and paper because today we're going to draw the Squid Game card. For this drawing we'll need black and light brown colored pencils. This drawing is 15 squares tall and 25 squares wide. We start with the black color and skip one square from left to right. In square number 2, we mark 23 horizontally. Bottom left, 13 horizontally. Bottom right, 23 horizontally. Top right, 13 vertically. In this line, count 5 from top to bottom, skip 3 squares to the right and mark 3 horizontally. Bottom left, 3 vertically. Bottom right, 3 horizontally. Top right, 3 vertically. From this square, skip 2 squares to the right and mark 7 horizontally. From this square, go up 1. Top right, 3 diagonally. Bottom right, 3 diagonally. From this square, skip 1 square to the right and mark 5 horizontally. From this square, go up 4 vertically. From this square, go right 4 horizontally. From this square, go down 3 vertically. Now, let's color in all the squares we marked. If you're new to the channel, let me tell you that our family is called the Pixeler Club and I want to invite you to be part of it. How? Just subscribe and activate the notification bell. Now, take the brown color and fill in all these parts of the drawing. And that's how our drawing turned out today. If you like it, don't forget to support the video with a super pixelated like and tell me in the comments what you will do if you receive this card. Thank you so much, Pixelers, for being here in a new video. I'm sending you a big hug and lots of love from my pixelated heart. I'm Paito and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!